Let me show you how to hide apps in TECNO Pova smartphones. Alright, if you are a user of one of the TECNO Pova smartphones, there is a simple trick to hide apps on your phone. So let's open the list of all apps. Here let me choose Phone Master. Let me tap Cancel here, and here let's scroll down, and under Privacy and Security you can choose the Vault. Let's use this Vault feature. If this is your first time, you need to draw some pattern to this Vault feature. In my case, let me use this simple one. Tap Next. Let's do it again. Tap OK. You can link account here, but you don't need to do this. You can tap Skip and use it without an account. Let me do it. Sorry, let me tap Skip, and here Skip again. And that's it. This is your default space. So this is like the privacy security space that you can use. And here you can add some pictures, videos, apps, and other stuff. So in my case, let me hide apps. So let's just tap apps here, tap this button, and let me, for example, hide TikTok. Tap Confirm, and that's it. You just hide the TikTok. Okay. So now, as you can see, there is no TikTok on the following list. If you would like to enter this Vault space, you need to swipe with 2 fingers. Let me show you. Swipe up. Let's enter the pattern. And here you can tap apps and use the TikTok. You can add some more apps if you would like to. For example, in my case, it could be Facebook. Tap Confirm. That's it. Swipe up. Enter the pattern and you can use your apps. Alright, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.